Want to know the inside scoop on what's getting homes sold in our area? Here is my number one tip. If you've got a move on your mind for 2026, start preparing now. A few years ago, you didn't have to do much, and your house would sell. But now there are more homes on the market, and it's a totally different ballgame. That doesn't mean you've got to do a full-on renovation. Just some smart, strategic repairs. Your house will sell if it's prepped right, so please hear me on that. And starting now gives you the time to space out those updates. Here are the top projects agents are recommending this year, and the top two really are pretty simple. Painting. But this is just a baseline. What you'll want to tackle depends on your house and your market, and that's where I come in. I can tell you exactly what's worth doing and what's not. You've got time on your side right now. Let's use it to your advantage. Till then, this is Phil Lande with the Atlas Group saying, I'm always here for you. Take care till then. Bye for now.